Hey guys, what up? So, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this invisible locks. I'm going to be doing it step by step, and I'm going to be showing it in real time. To begin with, the hair that I used was the Cuban twist, 16 inches. Now the very first step is for you to part the hair. I did medium size parting. And there's two methods to do the invisible locks. There's the method where you start off with flat row in it, and then there's the one with the crochet needle. I personally preferred the crochet needle because it made my invisible locks look more neat. Now, to create that look, you're going to separate one of the parting horizontally, and then the one at the bottom you're going to 3-strand braid it, but you're not going to braid it all the way. I mean, if you want to, you can do that, but you don't want to waste time. So you're just going to 3-strand braid it halfway, and then you're going to take two pieces from the hair. As you can see, the Cuban twist is already pre-separated, and it kind of looks like Marley ham. So yeah, you're going to take two pieces of that. The other step is to take the crochet needle, push it through the 3-strand braid, then you're going to take the Cuban twist, put it in the hook, then you're going to close the latch and pull it. Now you're going to take the hair that is on top and you're going to cover the hair that was crocheted. It's going to give the illusion that the hair came from the scalp. And you're going to repeat that exact same step on the other side. You're going to take some jam, some gel, whatever you use to keep your hair in place, and you're going to put it over, just to get rid of the frizziness. Y'all, I usually use more product than necessary. I'm heavy-handed. For this part, you're literally just going to twist it. And when it comes to these type of twists, I always twist towards the right. So I guess depending on the person, you can twist on the left. But for me, I always twist towards the right. So you're just going to twist and twist and twist. And what you want to do is, if you're twisting to the right for this one, for the other one, you're also going to twist to the right. So yeah, just twist towards the same direction. And now I'm taking a clip, pinning it in place just to hold it so that I can repeat this exact same step on the other side. Twist, twist, and twist. to be careful. Sorry, y'all, I forgot to mention that you're not going to twist all the way down. You just want to twist halfway. And then when you finish doing that, you're going to take the two hair and then you're going to twist it together. So this, you have to be careful because remember you twist in the same direction, but now you're going to twist it together like when you regularly twist, do a two-strand twist. So you're going to two-strand twist these individual twists. Now that I've reached towards the end, or at least the length that we wanted the hair to be, I would measure it to make sure that it's the same length with the others, or at least close within that length. And then I'm going to fold it right where my thumb is at. I'll fold it and then I do a twist within a twist. So I do a twist while I'm wrapping the hair. That makes more sense. So I'll twist it and then I'll wrap it. I'll twist it and then I'll wrap it. Hopefully you learned a thing or two from this tutorial, and thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.